Hi YouTube, we bought a house. Welcome.
After years of dreaming, 2 years of planning, 6 months of house hunting, and many offers not accepted, I'm finally a first-time homeowner. Welcome to my first home diaries.
Made it upstairs, so I'm gonna walk you through the property. Y'all, we bought the ugliest house on the street. I'll share some of my plans, but not all of my plans, so make sure you stay tuned for the series because I cannot wait to bring you guys along with me. Now we are gonna enter the main living area right here. We have a fireplace as well, and so this is the living room. We have this thing right here that definitely is gotta go, okay? All right, so we're in the dining area like so. Now I already knew that I was gonna put in some budget to fix this place up. And so I have some grand plans for this room. Now the entire house is going to get a fresh coat of paint. We chose Benjamin Moore Simply White is the color I'm going with. Also, the top 2 living floors are gonna get new floors as well, just to bring it into 2024. This house is over 30 years old. So I love an old house because houses were built better. They tend to have like character and charm, and you have the ability to make it what you want it to be. And I don't know if you guys can see what's going on with the ceiling, but we'll talk more about that, okay, in the series, okay? And some of the things you should look out for when you're buying a place. 3 criteria when I was going house shopping. The first one was location, location, location. Okay, that is how, you preserve your home value. The second was size. And then finally, it was to have dedicated spaces. So again, we are gonna be redoing the kitchen, pulling out the cabinets. I'm pretty sure these cabinets have been here since this house was built. The old owners decided to put this like satin glossy paint all over it. Don't know why, but yeah. Sis has to go, okay? And one thing I have always wanted is a laundry room, a dedicated one. We're also going to be doing a ton of projects in here because the walls are not even finished in here. That ginormous mess, this thing is falling apart, has to go. We're in the room where all the magic happens, okay? This is actually going to be my studio for phase 1. Phase 2 of this project, or phase 3 of this project, is going to involve turning the lowest floor into SUPPLECHIC HQ. But until then, this is my studio space. We're adding LED lights here to brighten it up. The floors are being changed, new paint, removing this hideous chair rail that's everywhere. And the reason why I chose this room to be my studio is because it also has an adjacent room that will be my office space. So love that. Love that it has an office space area right here. So I'm super excited. Definitely all this hideous puke green is going out the door, okay? Out the door, okay. This room also has a vanity like so, perfect for me filming beauty content. This is getting updated ASAP as well. It's like a quick rundown right now of the house. I'm so excited to bring you guys along this journey, how we turned this house into a home. I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I learned in this process of buying a home in a competitive market. When I tell you, when I used to see people get emotional about buying a house, I didn't understand it, but trust me when I say, okay, that it's more than you bargained for. If you've never bought a house, for my first time homeowners, and even if you're not a first time homeowner and you haven't bought a house in a while and just curious of what it's like to buy a house, as a Black woman, as someone who's self-employed, I am gonna be spilling the tea, y'all, and there was so much tea. Hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed already, oh girl, make sure you subscribe.